So go to the ToyStack dashboard, click on login with GitHub. You're going to click on import and activate repository. And here you're going to click on modify app permissions and locate your Vue.js code. So I'm going to click on Vue and import it. So I'm going to choose my framework as Vue over here and choose a plan, proceed with the payment and activation. So you're going to select branch as main, select master and deployment validity as you wish to, and click on deploy. So you can see the URL is going to get generated within few seconds. And when you click on this, you can see the required Vue.js app UI, so which mimics the local host one.